Guys, here I am at the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at what they have, guys. So here I am over here where they have the socks. Oh, look how cute. Oh my goodness, those are fire engines for babies. Look at these. And then they have the little ruffle socks for the little girls. Okay, so they have even the little like, what are these called again? Oh, this is anti-grip socks. Okay, so here they have them in the blue, the pink, the yellow, and the purple. Okay, and then you have your little fuzzy socks, and these don't have the grips on the bottom, but they do have them in multiple styles. And then they have the 3-pack of these cushion socks. The quality seems so nice on these, guys. So these are nice. So they have a whole bunch of those. And then they have these single socks right here. Here's another 3-pack, and here's a 2-pack of this kind right here. So then over here you have a 3-pack of these tiny ones for kids. And they also have this style right here, and they have these styles right here. So guys, these are pretty nice for kids. These are not adult sizes. So look at these, guys. This is so cute. This is the emojis. They have some of these here, the shoe liners. Then they have the knee highs at this location. I'm at a different location today by my mom. Here they have the foot liners right here. So they have a whole bunch of those. They're pretty stocked. And then they have the knee highs and the pantyhose. Okay, so that's pretty neat. And I think they have them in different colors. Not sure. These are the beige ones. And this is one called Sophie. This is a new brand. I don't think I remember seeing that brand. But anyway, they have, look at these. I like these, the no-slip shoe liners. And the dog was, I'm loving this style right here. Look at the dog, the Frenchie dog. These are some more liners, so they kind of all mixed in. So they have more liners here, and then they have shoe liners there. Then they have these socks right here. This is the llama. And look at the dog, he's so cute. And this one, oh, that's so adorable. Okay. So this location here is not too stocked today, but I'll do my best to show you what I can. So these are they look like cows. And what's this one back here? I think that's a dog back there, I'm not sure. Then they have these socks. I don't think I've seen these. What are these, peaches? I think those are peaches and those are hearts. Some more liners, and then you have those socks down there. Now I'm noticing they have these hats. I think these hats are so nice, aren't they? Look at that, guys. They're so nice. So they have different style of those, and then they have these hats right here, the summer hats. I heard somebody call them bucket hats. So then I'm noticing they have the foot powder over here and the foot spray. Then you have some t-shirts over here, and then you have some insoles. And look at these guys, the gel heel cushion. So they have plenty of those. And then these are the ones you slide into your high heels. They have a cushion in the front and in the back, so your feet don't hurt. Isn't that neat, guys? Assured makes these. Then these are the gel ones for the inside of the shoe. And this is the Amape Gel Active Invisible Heel Cushions. Here's some shoe polish. So you have some t-shirts down here, and look at these totes, guys. Let's see. They have Mickey and Minnie. Isn't that adorable? They have Dora. Okay, and then this one over here is Minnie. Aw, she's so cute. And then they have the princesses. And back here they have Glitter Team LOL, Mulan. Okay, then you have Darth Vader, you have Star Wars, you have more Mickey and Minnie down here. And then look at that, they have the Avengers and the emojis. And I think that's Star Wars. Yep. And they have the little toads. So these are pretty nice, guys. Look at that. And then they have these bags. I'm kind of liking these bags. Those make good makeup bags. The USA ones. So these are pretty neat, and they're a nice size. Then we get into the baby stuff right here. So if we got into the baby stuff, guys, then you have their little spoons of Disney. Isn't that nice? They have them in the pink for the girl, the blue. Then they have their pacifiers. Look at the baby binkies. That's for the girl, and this one is for the boy. Then they have Paw Patrol. Isn't that cute? Then they have Disney. More Disney ones. This one says hello. What does that one say? That one has Mickey. This one is a clip. I guess that's a pacifier holder. Okay, so those are really nice, guys. And then they have Elmo, Big Bird, Cookie Monster, and here's Elmo, the bottles. That's adorable. So here's Paw Patrol Binky. Then here they have the two in a pack. These look like for little newborns from 0 to 3 months, and they're called Angel of Mine. Then they have the brushes, the bottle brushes, and here the sippy cup, guys, in the Sesame Street. Isn't that nice? That's Cookie Monster. Here's Elmo. So then if you come over here, you have their little toys, Sesame Street toys. That's Elmo. And here are the teething toys. Sesame Street. This is a teether toy too. So you have those. Is that the only kind they have? What's the blue one? Can't tell because I don't want to knock this over. Then they have the feeding spoon, guys. That is so nice. So here's the nursery bottles, and here the baby wipes along the bottom. That is so cute. And here you have more teething rings, more outlet plug, the brush, the hairbrush, and the comb. Look at that, baby Elmo and baby Cookie Monster. And then these are corner guards. These are really nice to have. So on this side, opposite that, we have the little carpets, and we have the felt hangers. Then over here we have the storage bags, and these right here, guys, are so good. I recommend these. Very good. I use them for storage. So they have them in multiple sizes here, and then they have these collapsibles. And these totes right here, guys, are really big. These totes, if you can get them, those are really big. So now the flip-flops are out, guys. So you have these colors on this side. I'm not sure if those are the men's. It doesn't really matter, but anyway. Then you have the summery ones. Then they have these kind of throw carpets. And look, they brought these back to this store. Then we have the little flip-flop for the little guys over here. And then you have the hats and the scarves. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, guys. And I'll see you in another video.